In a previous tutorial, I talked about how to add camera motion to your stop motions in After Effects. To get that handheld camera motion, I basically just tracked this footage of a box, extracted that motion of the camera, and applied it to my stop motion shot. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to go ahead and delete the footage of a box here from the project file, creating just a blank project file with a 1080p and 4K composition. If you're trying to create a 4K stop motion, use the 4K one. If you're trying to create a 1080p one, use the 1080p one. With this project file, you can just grab your stop motion shot like the one I have here and drag it into the composition. I'm going to scale mine down a bit to make it more clear what's happening, and because I have quite a large file here, I'll scale it to 65%. But once you drag it in, all you have to do is grab the pick whip here under parent and link and drag it on to the camera movement null object. After that, you'll see that the entire piece of footage is moving with that handheld camera motion. You can turn on motion blur to make it look a bit more realistic. And yeah, that's all you have to do to add some organic camera motion to your stop motion shot using this project file that I'm providing in the description. If you press U on the null object, you'll notice there's over 15 seconds of camera movement data here for you, so it should be no problem just dragging this around if you want different motion for consecutive shots, or if you have a pretty long shot. So hopefully you find this useful. If you do, please consider subscribing and supporting my channel, where I'll be posting more stop motion tips and tutorials. And also please consider supporting me on Patreon, where I upload videos early. I share files I create like music, 2D animated assets, and project files like the one I'm giving away for free here. I appreciate the support. It helps me make more videos, and thanks for watching.